Happy Monday. Jackie Broman here from TBA Law. My final Monday legal tip for the year. So every Monday for just about the whole year I've been popping in here and giving a short snippet of information at 10 o'clock on a Monday. So all those videos are saved on our Facebook page and you can go back and have a look at all of those. For the first half of the year, I focused it on estate planning and deceased estates, which is my particular area of specialty. But then I did a short series on buying and selling property, on leasing, on living in the community with your neighbours. And at the moment, this is the fifth of 5 videos on separation and family law. So today I wanted to focus on parental responsibility. Now this is a strange legal concept in many ways, and it has been around for more than 10 years, yet a lot of parents still mistakenly talk about custody for their kids. Now in the children's court, which is a state court, and really you go there if there are neglect or other safety issues around the children, and DHS usually does that. So that is in the children's court, and they do talk about custody and care of the kids in that jurisdiction. However, we're talking about the family law jurisdiction. So parents have separated and they're trying to work out how to parent their kids after separation. So there are 2 legal components to the arrangements that the court looks at. And that is parental responsibility and then time with the child. All right, so it's not custody. The starting point is that all parents retain parental responsibility. And then you look at the arrangements for the child spending time with their parents. So a typical arrangement might be that the kids stay for a full 14 days or 10 days rather with one parent, and 4 days over every second weekend with the other parent. So that is a time arrangement, but parental responsibility is usually equal, okay? So that means that both parents have equal rights to making the big picture decisions, such as where and how the children are educated, what religion potentially the children are brought up in. So big picture decisions. So that's how parents need to look at arrangements with their children after separation in terms of parental responsibility and time with the child. So it's very rare for a court to take away parental responsibility from a parent and grant sole parental responsibility to one parent. This usually happens where there has been domestic violence, some kind of other sexual abuse, or a parent voluntarily gives it up because they're just not going to be in the child's life. Only then really will a parent lose the right to have parental responsibility. So we've got to get out of our minds this term of custody, because regardless of the kids living majority of the time with one parent, doesn't mean the other parent doesn't have a say. They have equal responsibility to the parent that the children live with the majority of the time. All right. So that's the concept of parental responsibility for anyone bearing that in mind if yourself or someone you know is going through a separation and there's young children. So if it is relevant for someone, please tag them on this video, or if it's awkward because of the separation, you can copy the link of this video into a direct message to the person so they can find it. Otherwise, the video will be saved onto the page and you can go back and have a look through all of those, depending on what's happening in your life at the time and what becomes relevant for you. So there you are, the final of 5 videos on family law and separation. Not a nice topic leading up to Christmas, but there you go. So I will return again on the 6th of January. Our office will be closed from this Friday for 2 weeks, and I hope to be doing a full year next year as well of short legal snippets of information on a Monday morning. So, that being said, I hope you have a great week. I hope you have a great Christmas. I hope you have a safe and happy New Year period, and I will see you again next year.